A lot of people may be wondering, what is entertaining money? Well, in this video, we'll explain who we are and, more importantly, what we can do for you. What is Entertaining Money? Entertaining Money is a financial education company which seeks to improve the financial well-being of people's lives. We promote the awareness of financial education and its importance, and we provide financial education resources through our website at entertainingmoney.com. What is financial education? Financial education is the process of developing the knowledge and skills necessary to maximize a person's wealth and financial well-being. It's knowing how the game of money really works and what needs to be done to create wealth. What separates Entertaining Money from other financial educators? Our philosophy on not working hard at a job and using debt to get wealthier separates us from a lot of so-called financial experts. We live in the information age, and a lot of the information that's presented as financial wisdom is applicable to the industrial age, which means the information is obsolete and no longer applies. You have to know the new rules of money, or you risk financial disaster. Will your products and services teach me how to build wealth? Absolutely. Obtaining wealth and financial freedom today is achieved by taking a different route than being an employee. Working hard at a job alone to earn an income is a thing of the past. The low wages employees receive today requires that people learn how to have their money work hard for them through assets, which the rich have done for years. Financial freedom is achieved through financial education, which leads to an understanding of how to have money work hard for you instead of working hard for it. What would you advise the student new to financial education? I would advise you to develop your financial education, then take action. The monetary system is creating a situation where the middle class will vanish. You have to learn to protect yourself through financial education.